What are carbohydrates?
Carbohydrates, or carbs, are one of the three main nutrients found in food, along with proteins and fats. They are our body's primary source of energy, powering our brains, muscles, and organs. Carbs are found in fruits, vegetables, grains, beans, and dairy. Despite their reputation, not all carbs are the same or equally unhealthy.
Simple versus complex carbs.
Carbohydrates come in two main types, simple and complex. Simple carbs, like those in soda and candy, are quickly digested and can spike blood sugar. Complex carbs, found in whole grains, beans, and vegetables, digest more slowly, providing steady energy and important nutrients. Choosing more complex carbs supports long-term health.
Are carbs bad for you?
Many believe that all carbs are unhealthy, but this is a myth. Carbs are essential for energy and can be part of a balanced diet. Problems often arise from eating too many highly processed or sugary foods. Opting for whole, minimally processed sources helps people stay energized and nourished.
Benefits of carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates deliver important fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Fiber-rich carbs, like oats and fruits, aid digestion, help control cholesterol, and support gut health. The brain especially needs glucose, a type of sugar from carbs, to function properly. Including healthy carbs supports overall wellness and nutrition.
Smart ways to eat carbs.
To benefit from carbs, focus on whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Limit refined grains and added sugars, which offer less nutrition. Pair carbs with protein or healthy fats to feel full longer. Eating balanced meals with a mix of nutrients helps maintain energy and supports a healthy lifestyle.